Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be cooking a slow cooked roast beef on the Weber Genesis. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, if those are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate. Slap that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Right, so as I said in today's video, what we're going to be doing is a roast beef. Now we're going to be cooking it on the Genesis 2, and the Genesis is famous for low and slow. So we're going to be cooking it low and slow on the Genesis. I'm going to be making my own rub, and I will put it in the description below with the recipe. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. So what we'll do is we'll jump straight into it. Right, so because I'm making my own rub, what I'm going to do is I'm going to preheat the Genesis, and I'm going to preheat it on a low setting. So what we're going to do is light it, get it on high, light it, and then we'll turn it down. Right, so light our Genesis, just going to open the lid, and we're going to put the two outside burners on high. And we'll leave those for 10 minutes, and then we'll come out and turn it down to low. Right, so while that Genesis is preheating, we're going to start making our rub. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Right, so we're going to be making a traditional barbecue rub. All the ingredients will be in the description below, so make sure you check those out. So we're going to need 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. We're going to need 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. We're going to need 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of allspice, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of coarse salt, and 1 tablespoon of finely ground fresh pepper, black pepper. And now we'll just get this mixed together. So now that's mixed, and we're ready to season our meat with it. We'll spread our meat out, and we're just going to get this rub all over it, and then we're going to put it back in the fridge and leave it in there for up to 4 hours to let that rub actually get into that roast. So we'll get this in the fridge now and let it absorb all that rub for about 3 to 4 hours. Right, so our Genesis has been heating up for around 10 minutes. We've set it at the roast setting, and we're going to set it on really low. So we're going to keep it around the 150 degree mark and cook this roast for about 4 hours. So what we'll do is get this roast and get it on the Genesis. What's this been on for 3 hours now, and we're ready to take it off. Right, so we're just going to cover that with some tin foil just to let that rest and let all those juices relax in that meat back into the outside of the meat. When you're cooking, obviously as that heat disperses into that meat, all those juices flow into the middle of the meat and tense up, so you just want it to relax and tenderise the rest of that meat as they flow back out. Well, I'm just going to cut this roast and actually see how moist that meat is. You can see that meat has turned out perfect. Let's get this plated up. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that video and I hope you found it really informative. And everything I've shown in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, and that includes the recipe of the rub that I made. Now you could see from that video the meat turned out absolutely beautiful, really moist. It was on for 3 hours. So it was the indirect cooking system that I used on the Genesis, and it melted like butter in your mouth. It was beautiful. So again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on coming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you ran it for